We get this question a lot. Why do our hot tubs at Hot Spring seem to have fewer jets than so many of our competitors? First, we totally respect the question because visually, we appear so different than so many other options that seem to fill every possible space in the hot tub with jets. But let me tell you why. In this case, more is not necessarily better. In fact, let me tell you why fewer, more powerful, and adjustable jets may well be your best choice. First of all, the fact is the total amount of horsepower and therefore massage capacity is actually fairly static across all hot tubs that are powered by a 220 50 amp circuit. Now, at Hot Spring, we use the most powerful quality pumps possible via that 220 50 amp circuit to provide you with just an outstanding hydrotherapy experience. But here's the real question, is how does a hot tub manufacturer distribute that massage strength throughout the hot tub to give you your best overall experience? You see, at Hot Spring, we take hydrotherapy and all the wellness benefits that you receive through the regular use of our products very seriously. So for over 45 years now, we aim to give users variety of powerful, adjustable massages for all parts of your body. But here's the kicker. We could easily double our jet count. But that would only do what? Well, it would weaken your massage at each jet and not provide the kind of deep tissue hydrotherapy massage that really helps you feel better when you're in the hot tub. And actually, more importantly, help you feel great when you get out of it. Simply put, we design our jet systems to truly massage you, not just to try to impress you visually or even tickle you. And that is why giving you the right amount of jets, the right amount of power and adjustability in the right place is more important and will be more important to you than just a higher jet count.